The population of people living in a town is 107,000 to the nearest 1,000. A. Calculate the lower band of the population. B. Calculate the upper band of the population. C. What is the range of values of the measurement? Solution. The first thing to determine is the error. The error equals to what? We can see nearest 1,000. So we are plus or minus 1,000 divided by 2. Then we have 1,000 divided by 2, that's 500. So we are plus or minus 500. Now, we need to find the lower band. Lower band of the population will be what? Lower band. What is the approximated population? 107,000. So that will be 107,000 minus 500. 107,000 minus 500. And this will give us what? 106,500. That is a lower band. Now we calculate the upper band, which is the next question. Upper band. The upper band will be equal to what? 107,000 plus 500. That's 107,500. That is B. Now, for the C part, what is the range of values of the measurement? And we know that range of values of this form, LB, the lower band, less than or equal to, we can write A, then strictly less than U subscript B, which is the upper band. Where A is what? Where A is the actual population now. Actual population. So the range of values now. What is U subscript B, which is the S subscript B rather, lower band? That's 106,500. Then less than equals to what? A less than, strictly less than. Upper band, which is what? 107,500. And this is the same thing as, so we can write that is 106,500 to what? 107,500. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.